Welcome to the Vieques neighborhood here on the island of Vieques. This is Casa Valle Vista, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath property. If you want to see more info about this, you can go to the Paraiso Realty website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. We're located here off of a paved road up in the hills. There's a good breeze going on here right now. Front of the house has gates across the front, all metal. There's a metal gate here that opens and closes. There is an electric opener that's not hooked up right now. You see a side driveway, ample room parking for 2 or 3 cars. And you can see here from the side of the house, the little balcony up above, which I'll show you in a few minutes. And there's a front and a back door, so we'll go right into the front door here. As we enter, it brings us right to what is considered the living room area. Room on the wall for a TV. It's got lighting, it's got a couple of ceiling fans. It's got louvered windows. And this passageway leaves a little dining area and back to a kitchen. So before we get there, let's go back to the front door and I'll show you what's right off the front. Right here as you enter, have what is a bedroom. Currently set up as a little office, but it's got windows on 2 sides. Has an air conditioner as well as a closet. Tile floor. All the walls are concrete ceilings, nice ceiling fan. So that's bedroom number 1. Back to the living room, and off the living room we have a little hallway here with some shelving. There's a closet. Storage, hang stuff in there, and then there's a full bath. Toilet, sink, window, and then a full shower. Tiled on the floor, concrete on all sides. So first floor, we've seen the living room, 1 bedroom, 1 full bath, and then now here we are back to the kitchen. So plenty of space here for dining in. There's also a back porch we'll get to eventually if you want to dine outside. It's kind of a big L-shaped communal areas. You have a living room, dining room, kitchen, all open space, great for entertaining. This property has been a good rental in the past, both for short-term and long-term. The kitchen has its own air conditioner. So with rentals, having a communal space like this is great for entertaining, great for everybody to hang out. People cook and relax at the same time. Over here in the corner, under the stairs, that'll take us up to the 2nd floor. Got a washer and dryer. Neatly stuck in there, as well as the refrigerator. So there's the first floor. 1 bedroom, 1 full bath, living room, dining room, kitchen, front door, and a back door. I'll show you the backyard in a second, which actually fits in with the name of the property, Casa Valle Vista. So here on the 2nd floor are 2 bedrooms, and they each have their own baths. So this is something that everybody wants. They want their own bedroom, they want their own bathroom, and here we are. One of the first bedrooms on the 2nd floor. This one's under a little repair right now. There's some work being done in the bathroom, so please disregard anything you might see. There is an air conditioner there. Room for a queen-size bed, little sitting area, dresser. And here's the bathroom that they're working on. It has a toilet, has a sink, pedestal sink, and then a full tiled bath with a window that gets a little sunlight from outside. That's bedroom number 1 on the 2nd floor. I'll show you the other bedroom. This is the one that's in the front of the house. This is on the road side of the house. A little bit bigger, a little bit brighter. This is time-wise is in the middle of the afternoon. So if you want to factor that in when trying to figure out where the light's coming from. There's an air conditioner, some lights on 2 sides of the room. There is a ceiling fan. And there is a full bath here. Toilet. Pedestal sink. Full shower. All tiled. Now, what's unique about both of these bedrooms up on the second floor, there is some privacy. As you can see when you come into the room, can close the door to the hallway, and then you have access to the bathroom, you know, private access to the bathroom. So both of the bedrooms are set up that way. And they're also set up with doors that go out onto a balcony. Now this is a balcony that wraps around 2 sides of the house. There's the road where we walked in. This is the gate down below. It's the view of your neighbors. This is looking south. So if you excuse the lighting, we're looking into the sun right now. But you can see the hills of Vieques. So there's the cell phone tower that's up above Mombiche, above the fire department, above the old hospital there. There's a view of the neighbors, some well-kept neighbors here. There's been some turnover in some of the property here on this street. A number of the houses have been fixed up. So here's a door that went to the bedroom we just came out. As we walk down the balcony here, here's the other bedroom that we saw already that has the bathroom that's being worked on. And this balcony wraps around to the back. There's the air conditioning unit for the first bedroom we went to on the second floor. Back here is the hot water heater. And it's an electric hot water heater. Let's see the name. Very popular here in the tropics, Stable. And this here is the backyard, which I'll take you down. We'll go back down to the kitchen and go out into the backyard. But basically what you can see from here is a little patio in the back. For some reason, when they built this house, and this happens often in Vieques, folks built the house closer to the road. Probably a shorter distance to get water and electric, initial building costs. And for some reason, you know, very practical. Folks wanted to live close to the road versus having a nice view for some reason. This is a steep, it's a deep lot, much longer than it is wider. And as you'll see when we walk out there, even from here, I can see Culebra, I can see the Caribbean Sea all to the north. And the view and the breezes are actually better from the back side of the property. So if you want to build a pool with a pool house, a casita, in-law house, lots of room for additional houses and amenities off the back side of this property, and actually with better views. So let's go back down there. So this is bedroom number 1 that we saw. And actually before I get there, here's 2 thoughts. There's the back balcony that we saw. I mean, this is a flat roof on the second floor. So imagine from the top, you could have great views, rooftop deck. You could build stairs from that outdoor balcony to get to the roof. The only downside is that you'd have to walk through one of these bedrooms to get to those stairs to get to the roof. So you can imagine if you're entertaining, that's not going to be ideal. You're not going to want people walking through the bedrooms. If you have guests over, they don't want people walking through their bedrooms. So one option I figure is this hallway here that connects the first and second floor. This is where the wood stairs are. This whole opening right here could easily be spiral staircase or some sort of staircase that connects the kitchen to the roof. So just something to think about. I think if I were to buy this house, that's what I would do. I'd want to open up this whole area, somehow connect the roof to the second floor, down to the kitchen. It would all basically be communal space. You wouldn't have guests, family members crossing into each other's bedrooms, tracking food and mud, getting from the roof deck down to the backyard. So just food for thought. So I just walked out the door from the kitchen. This is the backyard space. There is a little casita in the back here, water faucet, and actually here in the tree, someone actually jury-rigged I could see it in the video, there's a shower head up there. So I imagine you come back from the beach, just step out here and you can take it. There's the valve right there. How funny is that? Come out here and take a shower. Little storage shed in the back. On the side are the gas tanks and another hot water heater. So a lot of those utilities are often on the outside of the house, very common here. No need to worry about frost, frosties, or anything like that. So we can build and put plumbing and gas lines on the outside of the house very easily. So this is the backyard. And as you can see, I can already see it. I don't know how clear it is in the video. You can see the island of Culebra. See the Caribbean Sea. Gorgeous day here in the tropics. And the property drops off and goes down quite a bit there. Goes on for about another 50 yards. Some of these trees could be trimmed back. This is an almond tree, there's a mango tree, some bougainvillea, some palms, sea grapes. These could all be trimmed back a little bit. They'll grow like weeds here in the tropics 365 days a year. So trimming them back is not going to be the end of the world. But it'll open up your view to the ocean. And where I'm standing right now, this would be an ideal spot for a pool house for the pool, or just a whole separate casita. You do a 2-story casita here. Maybe be some rental property. Could be property for the in-laws. Could be property if you just have a larger family. So this property is called Casa Valle Vista in English. That means Valley View, the Valley View house. And this Valley View house actually has a gorgeous view of Culebra and the Caribbean Sea to the north side of Vieques. Very quiet here, gorgeous little piece of property. Definitely room to expand. And if you'd like to know more about this property, please contact us. Paraiso realtypr.com is the website. My name's Bob. Feel free to give us a call. We'd love to show you around the property. And if you have any questions, please let us know. But in the meantime, Casa Valle Vista is waiting for someone. It could be you.